Hey everybody, this is Dave with Growing the Home Garden. I am out in my greenhouse right now and I'm looking at an Arborvitae cutting that I did a while back, and it is just now putting out roots. This is one that I've just kind of let go for a while, haven't really done much with, haven't really paid that much attention to them, just check them every now and then. And I looked underneath the flat, I've got them in this plug tray here, and I saw some roots coming out the bottom, so I thought I'd check it, and there we go. We do have rooting, so I should be able to put this into a better pot and let it to grow on and build a stronger root system. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to gently put it back in where it goes. And you see I've got a few more there waiting to root. Not all of them have rooted, but sometimes things take a little bit of time. So I'll just keep on misting them, getting them a little bit moist every now and then, making sure that there's water in the bottom of this flat here. And also in this flat, you can see here I've got some roots popping out. That is a fruiting plum tree right there that I need to go ahead and extricate from this tray and put into its own pot. I thought it was time that I gave you a quick update on to how the hydrangea cuttings I did a couple weeks ago are. Right now, if you notice, they're in a sand mixture. I did not use any rooting hormone on them at all. I covered them with another piece of a similar plastic container. And what I did find after that was that I left it on too much. I didn't take it off enough. And a few of the cuttings got some fungus issues and stuff on it. So I came back with a neem spray, got rid of the fungus issues, and then made sure that I left the top open a lot better. And they're doing pretty good now. So I just wanted to show you a little bit about what we've got here so far. And here, it's not exactly where I'd want them to be to put them in a pot yet, but you do see some good rooting there. And I put some extra water in the mixture here so that I could easily pull the cuttings out without damaging roots. Now this one here, and if you notice here, what I think is really cool about this one is you can easily see that rooting is happening all along the stem area. It's not specific to a node, which a lot of plants will only root from right below a node or right on a node. And here, it's right all over that stem area. So they're too small to pot up yet, but so far they're looking pretty good. And that one's got some too, but it's all caked on with the sand, which is fine. I'll just leave it there. But, hydrangeas are just so easy to root. There's nothing complicated about it. Like I said, there's no rooting hormone involved here. This is just completely just sand and water, essentially sticking these cuttings in here. So that's good for anything in the Macrophylla family of hydrangeas. No problem. Hydrangea serrata too will actually do that pretty well. I used to have one Marizii, I believe it's pronounced, and it was a variegated hydrangea. The leaves were just beautiful, but it died out at some point, and I've not found it locally ever since. I'd like to trade somebody for it and maybe swap them if I burn them or something. But it's a very easy plant to propagate. There is no secret to it. You just keep an eye on it. You stick them in sand and water, and they're going to root. You'll have some pretty good success with these. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on that. And you can look back. I'll post a link to it here so you can take a look and see how I actually propagated them to start from. It's so easy. You can do this all day. But hydrangea is just such a great plant in general, just so easy to get these cuttings to root. So if you like rooting or propagating plants, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you along to follow what we do here in the garden. So again, I'm Dave with Growing the Home Garden. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.